Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I created this icy blue look. I have been using the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette. When I first opened the palette, I immediately wanted to play with the color Blue Blood. It's a beautiful light blue matte color, so I decided to create this look all around this shadow. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel, it would really mean a lot to me. And now let's start with the tutorial. First, I'm taking a Sigma E25 brush with the color Blue Blood and I'm applying it all over my mobile lid and a little bit above. This brush is really versatile. You can use it for packing on color, but you can also use it for blending the color out. When you have hooded eyes, always make sure that you can see the color when your eyes open. Now I'm taking the color Minty on a small blending brush. This one is the Morphe M506 and I'm blending over the edges. Then I'm going in with the color Cullinan on a wet Morphe M213 brush and I'm applying this color to the center of my lid all the way up to my crease. At first the color isn't that opaque, but you can build it up until it has the intensity you want. Now I'm taking the small blending brush I used before with a bit of Minty on it and I'm blending over the edges. I'm taking the Morphe M213 brush again with the color Cullinan and I'm brightening up my inner corner. Then I'm taking the same brush with the color Crystal Flash and I'm smudging it on my lower lash line. To make this color pop a bit more, I'm taking an eye pencil in the same color. This one is from Essence and I'm applying it to my lower waterline. I'm also smudging the pencil through my lashes to intensify the color even more. Now I'm applying mascara to my upper lashes. For this look, I want the copper shades on the lower lash line to really shine through, so I'm not going to apply mascara to my lower lashes. Next, I'm taking the Morphe M213 brush with the color Cullinan and I'm highlighting my brow bone. Now, as you can see, this is the finished look. I hope that you liked the look and that you enjoyed watching the video. Please hit the like button down below and let me know in the comments what you would like to see in the future. Thank you so much for watching and have a beautiful day.